Piercing candlestick pattern. Hey guys, and welcome back to an exclusively new video on my channel Tradingfyive. And in this video we are again going to discuss about a very powerful candlestick pattern, which is the piercing pattern. And let me tell you that this pattern is really very powerful and works efficiently. And if you understand how to use this pattern properly along with proper setup, it can help you a lot in your trading. And in this video I am going to exactly explain you how to identify this pattern, where to buy and where to place the stop loss so that you can manage the risk in the market, and how will you book the profit. So if you don't want to miss something that can make you good return in the market, make sure that you're watching this video till the end, do not skip it. But before continuing further, let me tell you that this video might be a little bit advanced for some viewers and they may find it difficult to understand the concept. So if you want to understand candlestick pattern right from basics, I have made a playlist of my videos, which if you check out, you will find various videos on candlestick patterns, explaining about what are these candlestick patterns, how they are formed, what are reversal candlestick pattern, how to use them along with volumes, and that too right from basic to advanced. So you can check this playlist after watching this video. Alright, so by not wasting much time, let's start with the video. And on your screen you can see that is how a piercing pattern looks like. It is a pattern which is formed out of two candles and is a type of reversal candlestick pattern. And reversal means change in the direction of market, change in trend. That is, a downtrend in the market becomes uptrend, or the market which was previously in uptrend goes back to downtrend, are all examples of reversal. So even you can identify when the market will take a reversal, when it will change the direction, by using this piercing pattern. Let's understand the bullish piercing pattern. And as you can see on the screen, that is how the bullish piercing looks like. The first candle in this pattern is a long red candle. And after that we get a second candle after a gap up opening, which is called as the pro gap. You know, there are multiple types of gap and pro gap is just one of them. It is like a gap which is made by the professionals. And it is said that the professional traders in the market, the big sharks, the mutual funds, and all of the institutional investors, they are the one who are capable to reverse the direction of the market. And when they trade, they impart a huge buying and selling pressure in the market. And that is why we may get a gap up or gap down opening. Anyways, now let's focus on the piercing pattern. I will surely cover pro gap in one of my videos. So the next candle that we get after a gap up opening should be a long green candle. So that is where you get your bullish piercing pattern. You see, first a red candle which indicates the bearish dominance in the market, and after that a pro gap up opening. And let me tell you that this is a bullish reversal pattern, so it has to occur after a downtrend or some strong bearish movement. If you find this pattern after such a strong downtrend, it is a perfect setup. So you will buy on the closing of this candle, that is when the candle gets completely formed and a stop loss will be below the low of the previous candle. So this is where we define the risk completely, and we can expect a strong rally in the market, a strong trend in the bullish side. So you know, that is how you actually trade, proper setup, a system and a pattern. Alright, so now next let us look at the bearish piercing pattern. So the first candle in this pattern is a long green candle, and after that we get a pro gap which is gap down opening, followed by a long red candle. So the logic of this pattern is simple. First a green candle which indicates the bullish dominance, and after that we get a gap down opening which indicates that there is some strong selling, and the red candle even confirms it. And since this is a bearish reversal pattern, it should be followed by an uptrend. So that is where you get a perfect setup for trading on this pattern. So we will take a short entry at the closing of this candle, and our stop loss will be above the high of the previous candle. And we can then expect that the market will continue in downtrend. And since we have taken a short trade, we can make money. Now let me exactly show you how this pattern works in the market with an example. As you can see on the screen, this is the daily chart of Nifty 50 index. And if you carefully observe this chart, you can notice that there is a bearish piercing pattern exactly over here. And you can see before actually this pattern was formed, the market was in a good uptrend. And after this, we got a good downfall in the market. And anyone who would have taken a trade over here, it would have been a 1:4 or 1:5 trade for him, which is like really excellent if you can make such trades. Let me show you one more example exactly on this chart. You see, there is a bullish piercing pattern over here. The only difference is that the gap formed by the market is huge. And since the market was in downtrend, before this pattern was formed, it indicated a perfect reversal, and you can see the market went bullish after this pattern. So that is what I call as the power of the piercing pattern. If you tell me to name some of the powerful candlestick pattern in technical analysis, this would surely be one of them. But it is not that every time this piercing pattern will be correct. There can be situations where the piercing pattern might not work. Like you can see, there was a piercing pattern exactly over here. But it didn't work very correctly, or we can say gave a very small profit. Lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible. And to not miss such many content on the stock market and technical analysis, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. I will see you in the next video.